Hey everyone, Dan here, and this is my video for the AeroGarden Harvest series. This thing is a really cool hydroponic system, and I picked this up so I could start getting some lettuce that was grown right in the middle of winter. And look at how this beautiful red lettuce that has sprung up. This is really cool. This is after about 3 or 4 weeks of starting, and I had a couple of sprouts here that came up a little late. So what I'm going to have to do is like start trimming this back. But how this works is there's a little fill cavity here. This whole thing comes off. This whole top plate comes off, and you fill this bottom up with water. And once you do that, there's a little fill marker on the inside here. You can see right inside there, fill to here, and that's where you fill the water line up to. And this is also where you add in your plant food as well. Then you put in your pods, and once you plug it in and get things going, water will actually run over top of these pods and provide them with the nutrients and sustenance they need to get everything going and start growing. Now, some things take a little longer than others. My thyme back there is sprouting. It's just taken a little while to pop up. The basil, surprise took as long as it did, but it's coming along. And I'm going to trim this back and have some salad here, and then give my opportunity for this other green salad to grow. Now, here's some of the cool features. One, this light panel provides a little bit of warmth, but it also provides the perfect light blend to help the plants grow. And there's a button on the back that helps adjust this so you can raise it up and down. Uh, Additionally, these add plant food is on like a 2-week timer, which you can see I need to do that. And they give you each one of these seed packets here. They have their own plant food, 2 capfuls or 8 milliliters here. It will do the job, and then you can push that and it'll reset the timer. The additional thing is you can turn the lights on and off, but you can also reset them by giving it a long press, and it'll reset the timer, the light timer for the appropriate. I think it's like 15 hours of light, and then it shuts off for a few hours and kicks back on. So somewhere around that time table. And then the add water light will kick on if your water level gets really low. Now, over the course of time, when you're utilizing this, you will need to, on occasion, raise this up, take this all out, and thin the roots a little bit, but or untangle them, and then change out the water underneath. But pretty cool system, and I'm super excited to start having some fresh lettuce here with this setup. So I hope this video review helps you in your decision to pick it up for one of these. Thanks so much for watching.